The faucet on a bathroom sink broke. The customer asked me to either fix it or replace the whole sink, because the part was old and probably couldn't be replaced anymore. So I went to the 100 yen shop, Daiso. I found 3 surprising tools to fix the problem. Total cost, just 300 yen. The problem was the lever's inner part had rusted and broken off. If I could rebuild the broken section, the faucet would work again, just like before. First, I used some modeling clay to make a mold of the broken part. This clay will help shape the missing section we are going to rebuild. Then I added a little baking soda, also from Daiso. The trick is to add it slowly, bit by bit. Stay with me, we'll speed things up so you don't get bored. Next comes the secret weapon, instant glue. I gently poured it in, letting it soak into the baking soda gradually. Again, slow and steady. And yes, I'll fast forward a bit for the impatient folks watching. The mixture hardens like metal. I repeated the process until the missing section was fully restored. It only takes seconds to cure, so don't worry, this won't take long. Time to remove the clay mold. It's a type that takes hours to harden, so pulling it out now is no problem at all. I used a toothpick to clean out the inside, and just like that, we had a perfect result on the first try. Replacing the whole sink would have cost hundreds of dollars and taken days to deliver, but with this fix, the customer was happy right away, and saved big money. So I headed over to their house feeling light and cheerful. All I had to do was pop the lever handle back in place. For extra strength, I added a bit more instant glue. Boom, back to life in one shot. The customer didn't need a full replacement, and I earned their trust, even if I lost a repair job. But that's okay, because now I get to share this awesome idea with you. If this video doesn't go viral, I'll actually be in the red. But if you've made it this far, you're awesome. Please like and share this with someone who might need it.